Hello, in front of me I've got VANTRUE NEXUS 4 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to manage parking mode. In the beginning, let's go to menu, enter record setup, scroll up and go to parking mode. Now you can disable parking mode, enable collision detection, motion detection and manage low bitrate mode. In the end, you can change low frame rate mode between 1, 5, 10 or 15 FPS. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.